January the 2nd. I am about to some large clusters. We might go out and get dinner tonight, have a little date night. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lash clusters. I'm gonna go to the gym, come back and chill. I'm gonna start off with these and then I'm gonna layer these ones because they're spiky. I'm gonna layer those in there. I'm using the bond and the sealant. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the 16 this time. At the end, I like it. I like it. 14, 14, 12, 12. It's kind of E. Still, and then when I go on the inside,
One hour later.
okay, y'all. I skipped a few things. The restaurant closes at 10, and he gets off between 9 and 9:30. So I'm trying to make sure that I'm already dressed, because I really want to go to this restaurant. I'm also letting my eyebrows go back, because yeah, I just miss having thick eyebrows. I like the thin eyebrows, though. Don't get me wrong, they definitely are a look. They are a look. Okay, but I miss having my thick eyebrows. This is about to piss me off. But anyway, so now I'm gonna do some blushy blush, blushy blush, 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 blushy blush, 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 blush. I'm watching too much. Okay, look at me. Ooh, that is loud. I don't know how I feel about that. Whew. I'm just gonna keep going. Harder doing glossy lips, so I'm gonna do a matte lip. But if anything goes wrong, it will be a glossy lip in the end. So. You know what? Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe the lip is a look. Maybe the lip is a look. Okay, y'all. So this is the outfit that I ended up with. I always wear this dress. I know it's sorry. I'm not sorry though, because I love this dress. So I have cheetah print. I still have to do jewelry. I haven't done none of that yet. So. If I should leave my hair up like this or take it down. I'm going to leave it up because I don't feel like dealing with if it gets tangled in.
You take a picture, mommy. Hey.
It's a little blurry, but I don't want y'all to see how I have the curly pieces spaced out. A lot of times I see when people get boho braids, if they don't space out the curly pieces right, especially like with the frame of your face, a lot of curly up here, and then towards the bottom it kind of gets a little thin, or like it's too straight. So that's another thing that you should pay attention to. Yeah, but if the good thing about braids is if it does look like that when you're done, you can literally just take a crochet needle and crochet however many curly pieces you want. I'm finally finished with my hair. This is before dipping, so I'm still gonna dip it, but I dipped it already. I know it's a little wild, like it's kind of big, but at some point I just got tired of braiding and was just adding the curly pieces in, like, because I was just braiding mindlessly. So, you know, but it still turned out cute. I like it. This took me 5 days. 5 days. Honestly, it would have took me less days if I didn't just start and stop and start and stop, start and stop. But well, it is what it is. I took about 20 smoke breaks, and yeah, so it took me about 5 days. And so now I'm just about to fix my lashes and these same lashes that y'all saw earlier. And then I have to do my nails, so I'm gonna be doing those too.
And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. From the shy, like Tim is a harder way. So this is in the name of love, like Robert say. Before you ask me to go get a job today, can I at least get a raise on the minimum wage? And I know the government administer aid, so I guess we just pray like the ministers say. Alu Akbar, throwing some hot cars. Things we seen on the screen, it's not ours. But these niggas from the hood, so these streets not far. Where I'm from, the dope boys is the rock stars, but they can't cop cars without seeing cop cars.
Make it back in some. Post that 120K, I bet you call my phone. How you slamming niggas that done taught you right from wrong? How you snake a nigga, put their life in your palm? It's whatever, though, I'm higher than I ever been.
You know what's funny?
I'm probably higher than I ever been. And so how the fuck I land on my feet? I just made a project, hoe felt like she out of reach. Now she tellin' niggas she don't fly economy. I'ma have a march and open up my next tour. College town market, but they payin' like New York. One tap, silver cup is not even a sport. I got superpowers, you will never go to court. I'm a superpower, she used to get her hair boy. She be hitting different when we kinda had a choice. She be lame and I ain't trippin', money built for her. Say she wants Chanel that you can't see up in the stores. My baby sister older, now she wanna be like her. She be hitting different when your time batter up. Hey, made it back in some. Yeah, I made it back in some. Make it back in style. Post 120K, I bet you call my phone. How you slamming other niggas taught you right from wrong? How you sneak a nigga put their life in your palm? It's whatever, hey. Hey, it's whatever, I'm higher than I ever been. So how the fuck I land on my feet?
It's another. You met him or something?